Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making your account eligible. Confirm a TikTok business profile and complete merchant verification so you can access Commerce Manager. Next, prepare your product catalog, CSV or connect Shopify/BigCommerce, because TikTok needs structured product metadata to create links. Once done, open Commerce Manager, choose Catalog, and import or sync your feed. This step registers SKUs and images. Do this now to avoid downstream errors when assigning products to posts and the shop shelf later. Now you create and optimize listings. Map SKU, title, price, high-resolution images, and clear descriptions. TikTok uses these fields to display product cards. Make sure variants, inventory counts, shipping options, and return policies are accurate because mismatches cause rejected links. Once entries are complete, publish the catalog and monitor processing status. Commerce Manager will validate each item. If an item fails validation, correct the specific field and re-upload. This keeps your shop cards functional when you attach them to videos. Finally, attach products to content. In the TikTok video editor or ad creation flow, enable product links or shopping tab and select items from your catalog. Positioning the product card and CTA matters for conversions. Publish the video and confirm the product card appears on the live post and in your profile shop. If the link fails, verify catalog sync status, merchant approval, and pixel or conversion setup. One common fix is reauthorizing the catalog connection or uploading corrected product metadata to trigger a fresh validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.